Hi guys, as you can see, I hope you can see, I dyed my hair. It's a few days after. This is actually the result of, this is number 5 Bubble Color by Richenna. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's like Richenna or Richenna. Anyways, this is what I used. Bubble Color by Richenna or Richenna and 5N Natural. So the result, this is it. This is it. Well, the conditioner was amazing. The conditioner that came, or treatment, whatever you want to call it, that came with the box was like a henna treatment, and it was really nice. It made my hair really soft. My hair is extra fluffy at the moment, but the conditioner really made my hair so soft, and so I don't feel like this hair dye really damaged my hair or anything, but it's not like I was bleaching my hair. Oh yeah, and I left the bottoms blonde just because I want to have some blonde in my hair, because I always wish that I'm blonde, even if brown hair probably suits me better. The color of my hair isn't very accurate on camera. It's kind of a dark brown color, but it looks so much lighter. It seems to me in the viewfinder to look so much lighter than what it actually is. So now what happened is that it lightened up my roots and it dyed the rest of my hair a dark kind of chocolatey brown, even though it looks a lot lighter on camera. It's like in real life it's a lot darker, and I left the ends, I just kind of dyed it up to here. I'm pretty happy with it actually. So this is another Korean brand. It's a cheaper, it's a cheaper hair dye. Okay, so these are the things it comes with. It comes with a hair, hair cap and gloves. These 2 liquids that you mix in here. This is the tap or whatever, and then this is the conditioner. So I'm gonna put these 2 in here, and to do that, there's already like a way to make a hole in here. I'm supposed to put this in there. Okay, and that holds it in place while I pour these in there. And so I'm supposed to mix these 2 liquids in here. You just put them in, close the top, and give it a little shake like that a few times. And then you pump it, and it pumps out a foam, and you just put that all over your hair. And wait about 20 minutes, wash it off, and it should be done. Okay, give it a little shaky like that. And it is a foaming hair color, hair dye. So, oh, and it wasn't, the cool thing was it wasn't a hair cap. That's what I thought it was, but it's actually a bib. So you can protect your chest, or I don't know, your back if you want. And I like the gloves better than any other gloves I've tried from hair dyes, because it just fits my hand so much better, unlike the other ones which are so big and kind of useless. You just have to saturate your hair with the color. The bubbles were a bit watery, so it's not like it's not gonna drip and it's gonna hold your hair up. But this was the first time for me using Richenna, so it's a completely new brand for me to use. I usually use Pulti, but I haven't tried the Pulti bubble hair dyes. I am used to the Pulti cream hair dyes, or I use things like Willetta. I buy there, or even L'Oreal hair dyes that I buy the cream and the peroxide I buy separately, and I mix that myself into it myself. So I go to like professional hair places and buy the stuff. Or I've tried some of the like L'Oreal Preference boxes or other kind of boxed hair dyes. As a comparison, I actually really like this box hair dye because it didn't smell as bad as the L'Oreal boxed hair dyes, and I don't feel like it really damaged my hair as much. I feel like my hair is just the same. I do feel that my hair became shinier, but I think that's because You know, with when my hair is blonde, it just doesn't reflect light very well. It kind of just absorbs the light. So darker hair just tends to naturally reflect light. So my hair definitely looks healthier and shinier when it's darker. So my roots were dark like that. And then my hair was kind of a medium brown color, darker than that a little, but kind of like that. Anyways, I really liked it actually, and I definitely would buy it again. That's it. If you liked this video, please click like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!